What's up guys, Braids here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Okay guys, so today's video is not nothing normal. Today, as you can see by the title, as you can see by the thumbnail, I am going to expose what's under here and we're going to fix it up. I've had these braids I've had these braids in my hair since October. Today is now December 26th. Merry Christmas, Merry belated Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone when it comes. But I've had these in for a little over 2 months now. And when I tell you the situation under here is zedly with a D. Oh my god, so I'm kind of nervous. You know, you guys already see in the thumbnail, but I'm kind of nervous to show you the situation underneath here. But essentially in today's video, I'm going to take down my raggedy braids under braids. I said braids because the way I cornrow my hair, because I'm not really good at it, it just looks retarded. So we're going to take down my almost 3-month-old braids. I am going to stop talking. I'm nervous. Okay, no, for real. I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to reveal what's under my bonnet and I'm just going to make it speak for itself. Y'all are scared. I'm sorry. This is not for children under 18. This is like a scary movie. Okay, alright, for real. I'm going to take out my bonnet now. Oh my god, I'm looking in the mirror by the way guys. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. You can't even see the cornrows anymore. Everything just looks matted and ew, what is this? Yeah, I've had these in for 2 months. I've been wearing wigs ever since October and I didn't really intend to have this situation in for so long. Like what? Oh my god. Anyways, we're going to fix this today. We're going to take out these nasty ass braids. I'm going to get rid of them and then I'm going to style my natural hair. I'm not sure what style I'm going to do yet, but one thing's for sure, 2 things for certain. These braids or whatever got to go. They gotta go. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. So I have my towel here. I'm just going to put it around, take out my glasses. I have my towel here. I'm just gonna put it around my neck because we'll be working with water, because I don't know if this is like matted or actually put my glasses on. I can barely see. Blind girl things. Anyways, so I'm going to, this is disgusting. This is nasty. I hate this for you. So anyways, I'm going to go in and take this down. I'm gonna be very gentle. I'm gonna use a rat tail comb and then I'm gonna spray some water to help me detangle it. Oh my god, this is so ghetto. Oh my god, I can't believe I had these in for so long. I just hope my hair isn't matted anywhere. And as I mentioned before guys, I'm not good at cornrowing, so I did these myself. That's why they look so yucky. They look so yucky. Oh, I'm not even using a comb, look at that. At least it's coming out quite fine. That's good. Oh, ew. Okay. Oh my god, I can just imagine how much dead hair I must have. Oh my god, and I tend to suffer from like extreme dry scalp. So this was like a no-brainer idea. Ew, look at this. Look at this, guys. Can y'all see? That's like dirt and buildup and just nastiness. Oh my god, look. Ew, that's nasty. I hate that for me. I'm never doing this again. You don't think I left... Oh! Y'all see that? You don't think I left my hair for like a year? It almost feels matted at the top, but it's not really matted. Do y'all see all that gunk right here? That is disgusting. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my life. That's nasty. I'm going to use some water. I have some spray bottle right here. And the white tooth comb. And I'm going to go ahead and detangle this section. And I'm going to do it for each of the braids because I have to work really gentle with this. Now that I got that drenched, got the dead hair just coming out. In the sink right now, there's so much like, what's this called? It's like dry scalp flakes or flakes in the sink. That's nasty. All the hair just flying out, flying out. That is nasty. Don't like that for me. Okay. Okay, now that I have the section fully detangled, I'm just going to like twist this away and do the same thing for the rest of the cornrows or whatever these things are in my hair, and then we're going to wash it. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna speed this part up and play some music, and yeah, y'all just enjoy, just enjoy. Okay guys, this is my hair after I took out all the cornrows, because I don't know what that was. So it's looking not much better, but at least they're out. This is all the hair that I've lost so far. All the dead hair, Anyways, so I'm actually going to go back in and detangle it a little bit more. I'm gonna section it in 4, and then we're going to hop in the shower, and then I'm going to wash this hair. Okay guys, so I am back and my hair is fully detangled. Now I didn't lose that much hair this time around, so that's good, but it's fully detangled now. I have it sectioned off into 4 sections. And now I'm going to hop in the shower and we're gonna wash this hair. So come along with me guys, let's go. Okay guys, hopping straight into the shower, I undo those 4 twists and I get my hair heavily saturated in water because I have low porosity hair. Water takes some time to really get into my hair. Then I grab a wide tooth comb and I just ensure that my hair is truly detangled, even though usually it is. So after I'm done with that, then I split my hair into 2 sections, and you see me here jamming because who doesn't in the shower? So after I'm done jabbing, I split my hair into 2 sections because I like to work with my hair in 2 sections. In the shower it's just easier for me, and I ensure that it's saturated again. Then I go in with a shampoo. I'm using the As I Am Repair and Restore shampoo, and I look confused as hell because it came out in 2 different consistencies. I was like, what the hell, do I have to shake this? But anyways, I got it to work and I applied a healthy amount of the product into my hair. Like y'all saw the disaster that my hair was. My scalp is crying, so I applied a healthy amount of shampoo into my hair, focusing mainly on the scalp. You see me rubbing and ensuring that my scalp is really getting the product and really being squeaked clean. And what I like to do after I go in with my fingers on my scalp, I like to use a scalp massager to really get into my scalp to get all the dry scalp and everything out of it, so it's super clean. And after I'm done with that, I rinse that section out and I put it up with a hair clip, and I do the exact same thing to the next section. And after we're done with the shampoo, I only shampoo once because I really take my time with it. So I only shampoo once, and once I'm done, it's straight into the conditioner. Now I'm going in with the As I Am Repair and Restore conditioner. I use a healthy amount as well. I apply that to each section and use a wide tooth comb to ensure that the product is on every strand of my hair. Once I do that, I put the sections away and then I go take a shower, and then after I'm done showering, that's when I wash the product out and we're done. Okay guys, this is me straight out of the shower. My hair is wet. I washed all the conditioner out and everything. Now what I usually do as soon as I finish washing my hair, I go in with the TGIN Honey Miracle Mask to deep condition my hair. I live by this. This is the truth. Like for people with dry porosity hair, low porosity hair like myself, this does it for me. And my hair, it works well dripping wet. Like my hair has to be dripping wet in order to take product, so that's why I always choose to do this step literally right after I'm out of the shower and my hair is done being washed. So that's what I'm doing now. I just section my hair off, grab some of the mask, and I'm gonna just put it all over my hair and let it sit. Like this is really good for like adding moisture back into your hair. This just does it for my hair every single time. So I just want to show you guys how I do it. I just really section my hair and I put it all over my hair, all over. And my hair is, as I said, low porosity, so you really have to work on it wet and you really have to work the product in. So that's what I am trying to do. And then after I feel like the product is in my hair, I'm just gonna twist it away, and then I'm just gonna do this all over my head. Okay guys, now that I have the mask all over my hair, I'm going to find a plastic bag or a plastic shower cap, and I'm going to put it over my head, and I'm going to make it sit for like an hour or two, and I'm going to come back and wash it out, and then I'm going to style my hair. Hey guys, so it has been a couple hours later. It's been about 2 hours later, 2-3 hours later. So I'm going to go in the shower and just wash this out. I'm just gonna go wash this out and come back, and then we'll get into the styling of everything. I think I know what I want to do with my hair, so yeah, let's see. So I'm gonna wash this out and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and the deep conditioner is out of my hair. I wash it out and just put a microfiber towel on my head. So now I'm just gonna remove this. And yes, I did wash out the conditioner with the twist still in my hair. That's something I always do, but my hair feels super duper soft and just, oh my god, that my hair needed to be washed. This needed to happen. I'm going to go in with a leave-in in my hair. I'm going to use the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I have never used this before. This is my first time using this. It's my first time using the entire line. As you guys saw earlier, I used the shampoo and the conditioner as well. So I don't know what to expect, but I'ma see. So how I do my leave-in, because I usually wash out my hair like this with the twist, I usually just work in sections. So what I do, I usually undo a section and then squeeze a little bit of leave-in in there, and I just go through my entire head. That's really what I do. So I'm gonna do this throughout my whole head. I just retwist it after, just to keep that sectioning thing going, so that it's easier for me to work that way. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do throughout my head, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I've put the leave-in in my hair. Honestly y'all, I was going to style my hair right now. It's currently 8:02 p.m. I was going to style my hair right now, but I'm tired. So I'm going to do, since my hair is washed and deep conditioned and everything, and like the leave-in is there, is fully moisturized and everything, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a bonnet on and go to bed, and then tomorrow I'm going to style my hair. Okay, y'all, so I know I said I was gonna come back and show how I styled my hair, but to be honest, I did not like how my hair turned out in terms of the style, because I wanted to do like a wash and go, like a wash and go afro, that defined curly afro, but it was just not coming out like I wanted it to. As you can see here in the clip, I'm like applying the gel to my hair, and like in my head I'm saying, okay, I don't really like this, but maybe I just need to finish it because I haven't done a wash and go in a long time. But the more and more I did it, I just was not liking it. But I was like, all right, now I'm already halfway there, might as well finish. So like I finished putting the product in my hair, and then I went ahead to diffuse it to see if I could get the look that I want. But then after diffusing, I was like, yeah, no. So I tied it up into a puff, because you can never go wrong with a puff. And I have a more detailed video on my channel of how I do a defined puff on my hair, so y'all can check that out if you want. So I will link it down below. But anyways, that is it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care, guys. Bye.